guys, welcome back to another video, and welcome to probably the last of my Halloween videos, at least in terms of like sharing any kind of stuff that I have bought or decor or decorating or anything like that. If you missed my first Halloween video, it was a whole house decorate with me. We did everything except for one room, which we're going to be doing today in just a little bit. So I'll link it in the cards here and at the end of my video, but definitely go check that out if you're looking for more of the home decor inspiration, because today's video is going to be a little bit more of a bonus video. It's going to be short and sweet. I'm just going to be sharing with y'all what I got my kids for their little boo baskets this year. Before we jump into today's video, I just want to mention, if you're not new here, I have mentioned I have 5 children. However, I did not get a boo basket for my 17-year-old son. He's a little, you know, beyond the boo basket phase. So these 4 boo baskets are for my 1-year-old son, 3-year-old son, 5-year-old daughter, and 9-year-old daughter. By the way, can we just take a moment to appreciate my Halloween coffee tumbler here? Which, by the way, my coffee is really cold at this point. I don't even know why I have it. What was I saying? Oh yes, so in past years, I have seen women do these like boo baskets, and I'm like, oh, she's doing too much. Like, it's not Easter. But Target got the best of me this year, guys. And I'm not hating on people that do boo baskets every year. It's just a first for me. I love stuff like this for our kids. I think it is what sticks with them. And when they're grown-ups, they think back to like how mom and dad made their holidays special, and it's things like these that really like just stand out in your mind. So I'm all about it, but it was definitely a little bit of a splurge. I don't know that I would do it every single year, but we're doing it this year. Target's little bullseye section in the front of the store, they had these guys and these, and they had one other one. It was black, and I want to say it was either a bat or a spider, you know, look to it, but I didn't like it as much. So I ended up getting 2 of these for my boys, 2 little pumpkins, and then 2 of the little cats for my girls. So super cute, $5 if they have any left. I know, even though it just rolled over to October, you know, people, they buy everything up like 2 months in advance. So hopefully they have these left at your store, because for $5, especially if you don't have to buy 4 of them, is a pretty good deal. So I'm just gonna share with y'all what I got for each one real quick. For my girls, I got them each a super cute pair of Halloween leggings, and these were from Walmart. They were $6. I'll give you a closer look. Just a really sweet little girly Halloween print. So they'll each be getting a pair of these, and then I got them both the same little jack-o'-lantern t-shirts. We live in Georgia, so even though it's fall, it's still like in the 80s, so t-shirts is the way to go usually. These also were from Walmart, $6, and I got them each a size bigger so they can hopefully wear them next year too. And then my boys, I didn't get them leggings or anything. I figure they can just wear little jeans. They have a lot of the same pairs of jeans, so they can be matching too. And I got them both a little jack-o'-lantern $6 t-shirt from Walmart as well. So all 4 of my little ones will kind of match in a way, I guess. I'm one of those moms that loves to match my kids as long as they will let me, and I do not apologize for that. Also, for my 3 younger ones, and I don't know where my daughters went. Like they've already been using these. As you can see, I snatched them for the video. But like my daughter, she has I don't know why I'm holding this up like it's in here. She got one of these anyway. They're $5 at Target. They're little Zach, I think that's what they're called. Zach Halloween cups. And she got the Trolls one, which is really cute. It's like purple with poppy and some candy, and this part is like lime green. I cannot find it for the life of me. She took it to bed with her. It's somewhere in there, but I got Baby Shark for my 1-year-old, and then Paw Patrol for my 3-year-old son. So moving along, I got them each a little book. I got this really cute You're My Pumpkin Pie book that I'll probably put in my 3-year-old's basket. And I love these. They have like, you can kind of feel different things on some of the pages. So I don't know if I would necessarily call it a sensory book, but it's cute anyway with those little details. And then same for this one. This will probably go in my 5-year-old daughter's. It's the same exact type of book, just a different theme. It's got the little pop out, cut out type pages. Like, look how cute. I just love that. And there's a few more that go to this collection. It's not listed on here, but these are at Walmart, by the way. So that'll be hers. I got this one for my 1-year-old little boy. It's not necessarily specific to Halloween, but with it being a spider, I thought it could fly, and then he could use it year round even, but it's the same. It's got those little kind of cut out sensory pages, so very cute. And for my 9-year-old, I actually just got her this Pumpkin Spice and Jesus Christ. It's like an adult coloring book. She's already used this a little bit, but you can see it's those kind of adult coloring pages, but also like this one is more so for kids, I would say. Very cute. This is on Amazon and at Walmart, so I can link the Amazon link anyway for y'all. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find it on the Walmart website, but I'll link Amazon. And then for my little ones, I knew that they were gonna like see a coloring book and be like, oh, I wanted one too. So these were very cheap in the Target dollar spot. This was just $1. It's one of those activity kits, so I'll pop that in my 3-year-old's basket to appease him. And then this is a $3 little activity book from Target, and it's just got some really cute stickers, and this is more age appropriate for my 5-year-old. I don't think my 3-year-old would be able to do too much of this, but yeah, I thought it was very cute for $3. And then they both have something that is not just a reading like look at book. I got the 3, 5, and 9-year-olds all these little window clings. This one's super cute. These are $1. Oh my gosh, someone just hit. Okay, I am shooketh. Y'all, I don't know if you could hear that horn and then that bang, but my neighbors, my downstairs neighbors, just floored it like backwards out of their parking spot and hit a car that was driving through the parking lot. Anyways, I'm gonna try and finish my video for y'all really quick, even though I'm distracted right now. I don't remember. I think I was talking to you about jelly window clings. They are in the bullseye section at Target. I got this for one of my daughters, probably my 5-year-old. Very cute little witch theme. And then I got just a generic kind of trick-or-treat Halloween theme one. I'll probably give this one to my 9-year-old daughter. And then I got this, is this the facing the right way? Yeah, I got this skeleton themed one for my little boy. So they will love these, and for $1, you can't beat something that is, you know, also like a craft, not a craft, but you know, an activity for them to do. Speaking of activities, these Mondo Llama, I'll show you the back because you can see better what it is. These are $5. They come with 3 wooden pieces plus the paint, and we already have, you know, paints and brushes, but you can see here it comes with some cute Halloween colors and a brush. So I'll probably actually like decant this and put one in each basket. And I didn't get one of these for my 1-year-old because I intended for my 3 that go to school to be able to put them on their backpacks. But they are cute little $1, let's see, I can show you better if I do one at a time. They're just $1 little light up keychains that they can put on their backpacks this month. And then lastly, or let's see, I've got 2 more things. So these are from Target. They were $3 in the hide and eat section in the back, with like all of the Halloween stuff. And they're just little Halloween poppets. And lastly, I didn't forget some kind of a sweet treat. These are little gummies that are in Halloween shapes. I ordered these off Amazon, so I will link them for you below, but they're dye-free. They have, you know, I can just show you the list. There's a very clean little candy type treat. that don't have a bunch of junk in them. I am all about a festive cupcake or cookie at school. We go trick-or-treating. I mean, I don't deprive my children by any means, but I definitely at home try to give them stuff that's a little bit better for them, especially without dyes and things like that. But I think that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and like assemble these real quick as best I can, give you a little overview just so you can see the finished product. And then we're just going to hop into my kids' room real quick before I have to go pick them up, because I grabbed them just a few little lights and a banner and some lights for their bed and stuff that I want to hang up to surprise them when they get home. So I'm going to bring y'all along with me for that, and that's going to be it for this video. Like I said, very short and sweet. Those came out super cute and my kids love them, so definitely worth the money. It didn't cost that much and they are playing with them every single day. So do the boo baskets, guys. But anyway, me and my 9-year-old daughter are just gonna go around their bedroom now and add a few little Halloween touches, mostly just lights and stuff, but turned out really cute, nothing too spooky, just some nighttime ambiance mostly, and some yummy smelling essential oils. They are from Plant Therapy. I recommend this brand. They are excellent quality, no MLM, and they're affordable, so I will link that little Halloween set in the description box. But I hope they all enjoyed this video, and if you want to see my whole house Halloween decorate with me, like I said in the beginning, that'll be linked at the end of this video as well as in the description box below. So I hope that you'll check that video out too. But I would so appreciate it if you would give this one a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let me know that you are here, especially if you are new. And if you are new, I hope that you'll stick around and subscribe. I have lots more fall content coming up. No more specific to Halloween unless we do some, pumpkin patch or trick-or-treating vlogs or something like that. But lots of holiday and festive seasonal content coming your way. Lots of motherhood content, lots of homemaking content. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you. But I hope that y'all have a great rest of your week, and I will see y'all very soon in my next video next weekend. Bye.